Hello all crochet lovers! In this video I'm gonna make this beautiful angel with you. This is my cotton yarn and hook 1 and 5 millimeters. First let's get started from the head. Make a magic ring in which we'll do 12 double crochets. Chain 3, we'll go for the first double crochet, then do 11 double crochets more. Double crochets, tighten a magic ring, slip stitch into the third loop and finish the first round. Chain 1 simple crochet in the same hole and one more simple crochet in here, and then continue 2 simple crochets in each stitch to the end of the round. All in all, we have here 24 simple crochets. Slip stitch into the first simple crochet. Chain 1 simple crochet in the same place, then 3 more simple crochets, 1 per stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn, leaving approximately 10 centimeters for sewing the head to the body. A head and a neck done. Now we are going to make wings. I'll show you how to make one wing, and you'll easily repeat the second one by yourself. Begin with a slip knot, leaving about 10 or so centimeters for sewing, and chain 17. Yarn over and make double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. Continue down the chain. Totally we need 12 double crochets, including 3 chains at the beginning of the row. Double crochets. We have 3 chains left. So now 1/2 double crochet, one simple crochet, and 1 slip stitch. Turn the work. The second row. 1 slip stitch into the slip stitch of the previous row. Then in the next stitch, 1 simple crochet, 1/2 double crochet, and 10 double crochets. turn the work, the third row, slip stitch into the very first stitch, 2 slip stitches into the next 2 stitches, chain 3 as a 1 double crochet, plus 7 double crochets more. Totally they must be 8 double crochets. One half double crochet, one simple crochet, one slip stitch, and turn the work. The fourth row, slip stitch into the slip stitch, one simple crochet, one half double crochet, six double crochets. Turn the work. The fifth row, slip stitch into the very first stitch, 2 more slip stitches, chain 3, plus 3 double crochets. All in all, there are 4 double crochets. One half double crochet, a simple crochet, and a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn, leaving convenient length for your sewing. The second wing is just the same. The third part is body. By the way, any triangle will be perfect for the body. So, chain 4 and make 3 double crochets into the first chain. We've got 4 double crochets. Chain 2. Then again, 4 double crochets into the same first chain. Chain 2. 4 double crochets. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the third chain. The second round, 4 double crochets, that is 1 double crochet into each double crochet of the previous round. So we reach the angle. In each angle we do 4 double crochets, chain 2, 4 double crochets. Then 4 double crochets on the next side and a corner. Pattern here is simple. I just want to remind you not to miss the first double crochet, which is hidden. In the end, there are 12 double crochets on each side, plus chain 2 in each angle. In the third round, the pattern is the same. We just increase the quantity of double crochets due to the corners. In the third round, we have 20 double crochets on each side, plus chain 2, which separate them on the corners. I finished the work like this. So now I'll sew all the parts together, starting with the head and body. There are 4 stitches as a neck, so I'll attach them to the central 4 stitches of the triangle's top. Then go wings. While sewing, it makes no difference which side to choose as a front one. Maybe you see the construction somewhat other way. I believe that anyone is an artist, so I'm sure you have your own style and vision, and all these parts may be attached in your way. Weave all ends. Starch if needed, and that is all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.